Hi, my name is Akash, Jeevan, and the problem I work for on this milestone is identifying athletes who participated in both Summer and Winter Olympics. And the problem is number B16 from our project. The goal was to process data about athletes and events to find out those who competed in both types of Olympics, like the Winter and the Summer Olympics. I'll walk you through my code and explain the challenges I faced through the decisions I made and what I learned along the way. So the data structures that I used in my project.h file is athlete and event. These structures help me to organize the set effectively. Moving to the main functionality, I divide my code into reusable functions for better modularity, uh, like load athletes, load events, find common athletes are the ones that I used. And let's look at the main function here. I dynamically allocate memory for the arrays of athletes, events, and common athlete IDs. To handle large data sets, I use malloc or memory allocation to avoid stack overflow errors. After loading the data, the program calls find common athletes and finally it outputs the names of and countries of athletes who competed in both types of Olympics. Let's check the output. This is the output of my program. I the One of the biggest challenges that I faced was handling large data set without exceeding memory limits. Initially, I used stack-based arrays, but this caused stack overflow errors. Switching to dynamic memory allocation using malloc resolved this issue, and the challenge was debugging incorrect matches. I realized that some data entries were invalid, so I added validation checks in the find common athletes function to filter out bad data.